I do, but the one I did.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Who called?
Andrea, the manager of the Baxa.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, but I have my stuff. It works really great.
Thank you. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
All right.
Just start. This is fun.
So what?
So my supervisor, Andrea, I'll get her out here in a minute. She was the one that told him there's no recording in here. He has not conducted any business. He doesn't need to do anything. She's asked him to turn off his cell phone for videotaping or photography.
So what was he?
He's just videotaping to videotape. And we're not supposed to have any recording in here because we have sensitive information on our screens. We don't want anybody getting leaked, you know?
Yeah.
And then dispatch asked what's the purpose of it. I said, probably YouTube. We get a lot of people coming in trying to do YouTube videos. So that's all I can think of right now.
So you guys just want him to leave?
Yeah,
or?
we need him to leave. We need him to turn off his device. I have to do a whole report about this now. He's not doing anything.
He's like, his argument is, and I just got here. I was kind of late to the party, but his argument is that there's no privacy in public. And this is a public building, and you know it's no different than me filming on the sidewalk or filming through the window.
They can film outside, but they can't film in the facility because we have sensitive information on our screens, and we have to protect our customers as well. And that's why we have the no photography, no.
So there's an actual policy.
There's one on the door there.
Okay.
And then we have some here, you know, cell phone testing area, which I don't. That doesn't really much matter over here, but we have. We're not supposed to have any recording, any photography down here, and these guys keep coming into all facilities and recording and posting on YouTube for likes. You know, it's just insane. We need him off the premises. If he's not conducting any business, he's got no reason to be here.
Okay.
So,
all right. Well, we will ask him to.
Thank you. And I know you guys are probably busy, but if we can probably have somebody, because usually when people do this, they come back like an hour later.
Okay.
So you can kind of stick around because we don't have a security guard anymore.
Right.
He went somewhere else.
Okay.
So now it's just us and we're all chicks.
Sure.
We'll let these two guys with their own test fund.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. No problem. Anytime. Yeah. No, I know. Thank you.